Your Audi can receive online traffic information from other vehicles, thereby helping you to anticipate hazards on your route so you can adapt your driving style. For example, you will receive a notification in the Audi virtual cockpit shortly before arriving at a potential hazard. Your Audi can also detect hazards and share the information with other vehicles via the cloud. Your Audi has to be connected to the internet for these services to function. In the app menu, go to Settings and then Privacy and tap on Vehicle-related online services. You can check here whether mobile data are activated. Four warning symbols alert you to various hazards ahead. The accident symbol warns you that a vehicle has been involved in an accident. The breakdown symbol warns you that a vehicle has broken down. The skidding risk symbol warns you that the road is slippery or icy. The poor visibility symbol warns you that visibility is poor due to fog or rain. With the exception of poor visibility, all detected warnings are shown on the map, even if the route planner is not active. If the route planner is active, warning symbols that are not on your route are grayed out. Tap on a warning symbol for detailed hazard alerts. Depending on the view you have selected in the Audi virtual cockpit, the warning symbols may also appear here. You can close pop-up notifications using the OK button on the steering wheel.